equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into a common issue with the Xiaomi robot vacuum: battery problems. If your vacuum isn't holding a charge or is showing a battery warning, follow these steps to diagnose and potentially fix the issue. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing the battery, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by turning off your robot vacuum and removing it from the charging dock. Flip the vacuum over to access the battery compartment. You'll see several screws holding the cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off. Here, you'll find the battery. Before proceeding, it's wise to check the battery's condition. Using your multimeter, test the voltage of the battery. If it's significantly lower than the rated voltage, it may need replacing. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If the battery seems fine, the next step is to clean the internal components. Dust and debris can accumulate and affect performance. Use a soft brush or a cloth with isopropyl alcohol to clean the battery contacts and the surrounding area. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. After cleaning, reassemble the vacuum by placing the battery back in its compartment and securing the cover with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to prevent any rattling during operation. Now, it's time to test your vacuum. Place it back on the charging dock and let it charge for a few hours. After charging, run a test cycle to see if the issue persists. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. If the vacuum still shows battery issues, it might be time for a replacement battery. You can find compatible batteries online or at local retailers. When purchasing, ensure you get a genuine Xiaomi battery for optimal performance. Before you proceed with any repairs, consider that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. In summary, diagnosing battery issues in your Xiaomi robot vacuum involves checking the battery voltage, cleaning the internal components, and possibly replacing the battery. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can get your vacuum back to its best. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your doorstep. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.